Hello everyone. Welcome to the Form Builder. Today I'm going to show you how to create a form in just a few minutes site. So first we must click on the FB admin button. Then we have to click on the new, and here you have to mention your template name. So, I'm going to write your university admission form. In the second section, you can see the template description. If you wanted to describe, you can mention the description of your templates or forms. Third section category. You have to choose one of the options from the drop-down. I'm going to select the business category. In the fourth section, I'm going to choose columns. So here we are providing types of columns users can see. That means the number of columns you want it to show to your guest users. So, you can choose from there. And then I'm going to click Create a Form. The third option is the text area you can use. So this configuration screen will appear. First name. So it's a text box basically. So you can mention the name here. I'm also going to make this first name to bold. You can change font, size, and also alignment from this is the screen. And I'm going to click on the Save. Then again, I'm going to add one more text box for the last name. Also going to make this bold, then click on the Save button. After this, I'm going to use the date file type for date of birth. Next is the radio button for gender selection. And then I'm going to choose the text area for the address. Another text area for the long address and PIN code and other details. So here you can see. I'm going to click on the Save button. After this, I'm going to add one more column for phone numbers. Also, I'm going to make this mandatory. Then I'm going to use the email field type, and I'm going to click on the Save button right. After this, I am adding one more field type pick list. Types of the program they wanted to pursue. Then I will give them few options to choose what types of program they want. First is Program 1, then click on this plus sign. Second is Program 2, then again click on plus. Third, Program 3, then click on the plus sign. Now click on the Save button. Another field type for information. I'm going to mention academic information. So, the information output field is related to giving some info. For example, if you wanted to describe something, you can mention it here. I'm going to make this bold and size. To make 14, the background color and theme. I'm going to change it so that it will look different from other details. Also, I'm going to change the text background text color so that it doesn't affect with background and does not disappear. Again, I'm going to choose another radio button filed. In the radio button, I'm going to write semester. In the options box, I'm going to add spring, then summer, then fall. Now click on the Save button. Making this heading bold, now it's look good. Adding another radio button for previous degree in the options box. Adding bachelor degree, then click on the plus sign, master degree, then click on the Save button. I'm going to add one more field media. In the box, I am going to enter then will attach educational documents in PDF format only. Adding one more field for signature here. Making this heading bold, now click on the Save button. I'm going to make the first name and last name bold. So after configuring all those field types, I will recheck all the boxes and fields. Now, let's click on the preview button to see how the form will look. Now you can see the form. I'm going to change the text color to black instead of white. After making the changes in our form, let's refresh the page. You can see the changes I have made. I'm going to enter all these fields like first name, last name, date of birth, gender details, address. The mobile number field is mandatory, so you can see it here. Email ID, types of programs I wanted to pursue. Then semester, my previous degree. I'm going to choose a bachelor. In the attachment, I'm going to use a sample PDF document, and next is the sign. After filling in all those information, your filled form will look like this. Now I have to just click on the Submit button, and that's it. Form is successfully submitted. In the next video, I'm going to show how to create a multi-page form. Till then, bye everyone. Thank you for watching this video.